Hello, let us start the concept addressing mode. Before going to addressing mode, we need to consider certain topics. First one is the opcode, second one is operand, third one is effective address. So let us consider first the operand and opcode and operands. Now consider an instruction is given in this format: add R1, R2 and R3. Now the meaning of this semantic of this instruction is that add the content of R2 register and R3 register and store the result into the R1 register. Now in this situation, this add is called the opcode, and these R1, R2 and R3, they are called the operands. Similarly, if we consider another instruction mul R1, R2, R3, which performs the multiplication of the content of R2 and R3 register and store the result to R1. In this case, multiplication or mul, this is called the opcode, and similarly R1, R2, R3, they are called the operands. Now let us move to the next concept, that is effective address. So effective address. Let me write the meaning of the effective address. It is basically the address of the operand. Now let us consider a particular situation. This is a memory, and here we have a value 32, and here we also have another value 64. Now suppose the address of 32 is given as 60A0 and the address of 64 is given as 70A0. Now we want to perform the addition of this value 32 and this value 64. The corresponding instruction can be written in this format: add @60A0, comma @70A0. Now the meaning of this instruction is that add the content of the location 60A0. Now here we are using the M to denote the memory. So this instruction says that add the content of 6010 with the content of 70A0 and store the result back to this location, M of 60A0. Here this 60A0 is the address of 32. In this particular situation, we are basically trying to add 32 and 64. So 32 and 64, they are the actual operand. They are our actual operand, and address of this operand is called the effective address. The address of this operand, that is for 64, the address of 64 is 70A0. So these two are called the effective address. So they are effective address. So the meaning of effective address is that the address of the operand. Thank you.